How to link bank account on Wise. In this tutorial, we're going to look at a quick and easy way to link bank account on Wise. So the first thing you need to do is simply go to your wise.com and log into your account. Then you can find the card section on the left-hand side of your screen right here. You could use this, or you could go to your profile icon at the top right and go to settings. Once you go to settings, you could always go to this recipients option as well. So if you click on recipients, you can click on add recipient, and you can add yourself as a recipient there, which will allow you to enter your account details. So if you're inside Europe, you can enter your full account holder name, then add your IBAN ID. You could also search for the currency you want to transfer to. Once that is done, there are different things that you can do. You can make an ACH transfer, wire transfer, or a SWIFT transfer. So to send a USD outside the US, you need to use SWIFT. So that means that your transfer will cost you almost $3 more, and it may take 2 to 5 business days longer. Other banks involved may also charge fees. So this is something you need to know before you transfer anything. Now, once you have done that, enter your account details as well as your ACH routing number. Choose your account type, whether it's savings or check-ins account. And to make a wire transfer, you need a Fedwire routing number and your account number. And if you go to this section right here, you can find different accounts, which you can just tap on. And if you just want to have one account or one transaction account here, you can delete these other accounts. Once that is done, you can view your account details here, the bank accounts that's connected. And you could also get money on different, get separate accounts to get money on different currencies as well. So for example, if you want Canadian dollars, you can choose Canadian dollars and go to account details. And once that is done, you'll have other options as well. Now, if you go to this app section on your settings, you'll have an option to connect your bank account directly here as well. Now, if you just tap on it, follow the on-screen prompts, you should be able to connect your bank account without any problem. That is basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you guys in the next one.